In this video, you'll learn how to change your nickname on your Binance profile. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully updated your nickname to something new and personalized. To begin, you need to log into your Binance account, use your credentials to access your profile. After logging in, locate the profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Account Center. This will direct you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your personal information. Ensure you are on the correct screen by checking for the Account Center header. Once you are in the Account Center, look for the section that displays your current nickname. You will see a field containing your existing nickname. Tap on this field to enable editing. This action will allow you to enter a new nickname of your choice. Make sure to choose a nickname that complies with Binance's guidelines. After entering your new nickname, it is crucial to save your changes. Look for a button labeled Confirm or Save Changes on the screen. Clicking this button will initiate the update process. You may notice a brief loading indicator as the system processes your request. Once the update is confirmed, your new nickname will reflect immediately on your profile. It's advisable to double check that the nickname appears as intended. If you encounter any issues, consider verifying your internet connection or refreshing the page to see if the changes have taken effect. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.